We have to subtract 21.15 from 43.01. So first we have to write the numbers in vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. On the top will be 43.01 because from 43.01 we have to subtract 21.15. So we have 43.01 minus 21.15. We have to keep decimal point in the same column. And now, before we do subtraction, I think it's very easy first to check if on the top we have greater number than on the bottom. So first we have 1 and 5. So 5 is greater than 1, so we need to do borrowing. For subtract decimal numbers, we use the same rule like for subtraction whole numbers. So we borrow 1 from next digit, but because we have 0, so we cannot do this. So we go to next digit, and now we have, in my opinion, it's easier when we take these 2 digits like whole numbers. So we have 30 minus 1. 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 we will have, and now we don't have 1, we have 11 at the end. And what else now? We have 2 and 1, so 2 is greater, 9 is greater than 1, so everything is okay if 4 is greater than 2. So now we can do subtraction. We start from the last column and we are going to the left side. 11 minus 5 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. We copy decimal point in the same column. 2 minus 1 is 1. You can always cross these numbers. We don't have 3 and 0, we have now 2 and 9. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Now you can always check. We have 21.86 plus 21.15. How we add decimal numbers? We start from the last column. 6 plus 5 is 11, so we have 1, and we take 1 to next column. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 is 10, so we have 0. We copy decimal point, and we take 1 to next column. 1 plus 1 plus 1, so this is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. We got the same number, decimal number, which we have at the beginning. So our solution is correct.